ZURU Smashers.
I thought you were Smashers.
It came with a bunch of stuff. We're about to open it and we'll let you guys know what was inside.
Okay, bye, Ed.
What do you think's inside?
Bones of dinosaurs.
All right, well, you film it while Mommy cuts it open.
Okay.
Film this, not Mommy. Where'd you get this?
At Target.
At Target. Whoa, Kaiden.
Open the bag.
All right, hold it and Mommy will cut it open. Here, hold it and film it and I'll cut it open for you and you can pull it out. Okay.
It's a dinosaur head.
Whoa.
I got this time.
You got something else in there too. You got a bunch for this price.
Dinosaur bones.
You got some dinosaur bones?
I add. And you open. It's open now. Get out. Get out, people. And some go on the dot slime.
Whoa, Kaiden.
I'm gonna open this first.
Okay. Do you give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
No. All right, remember, keep it over this. And then these
No
are
slime.
resealable, so you can put the slime back in them
Oh
too.
my gosh, it's slime. Oh my god. I feel some slime.
Here, you get the pieces, and Mommy will just get the slime. There you go. We can really leave the slime in there if you don't want to mix it.
I do. He feels like
Whoa, it does look like snowy slime. Look at it.
it's stretching. It looks like snow. That way that.
So basically, it's like you find the bones and put them together. So show everyone what you made.
This.
And that is what dinosaur?
T-Rex.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
Blue and T-Rex.
Blue. What is blue? No one knows what blue is. You gotta tell us.
A velociraptor.
Okay. Can you name 5 dinosaurs for me real quick?
Okay.
Okay.
T-Rex, Stegosaurus, pterodactyl,
Mm-hmm. Blue? What is blue?
blue, Velociraptor.
Name one more.
Oh, that's not 5. This is 5 to that.
Okay. 5.
Mommy, I did not say all the words.
Oh, well, tell me the last one.
Few moments later.
I bet you this one tells them. Oh, yeah, look at that.
And
What was the bad dinosaur in Jurassic World?
Endorex and Dominus Rex.
Indominus Rex?
And Indoraptor.
An Indoraptor? I think you named 5. You did good. Give me 5. Now give me some. So, what would you rate this out of 10?
10 of 5.
A 5 out of 10?
Yeah,
But that means it was just okay. I thought you really liked it.
I do.
So, would you give it a 10 out of 10?
Out of 10 out of 5 out of 5.
Okay. Well, tell everyone goodbye and you'll talk to them next time.
Bye-bye. I'll talk to you next time.